Got the camera. Where's the insurance?
Here, isn't it? Down here. Oh, dear. Oh, Jesus. What did I say to you yesterday?
Well, you're going to do it now, so...
What did I say to you yesterday?
Yeah, well, you do it.
You better go in and jump in.
No, wait. He's gonna get the camera.
You want a camera?
How's the camera going?
Hurry up.
I'm going to send this to Eric.
This is funny and embarrassing.
No,
Did
short
it come
stuff.
off the top of the thing?
Jill, it slid out under gravity. I can't do nothing about it. Never mind about it.
Wait, let Roger get in.
No, but don't go on about stupid
Dad,
things.
you see how cold this is?
And I hope I can get down far enough without drowning.
Why,
What do they say?
try a wee fishing net first. No.
You think?
Jill, it's that length. A wee fishing net will not get into it. It's too heavy for a wee stupid fishing net. Right, are you ready?
Hey, wait.
You go ahead.
Oh, David.
Everybody ready? I have to do it. I need it. If I don't have it, I'm going to go
You can
across
order
the
a new one.
What?
You can order a new one.
Right, here we go.
You just weigh yourself in.
No, it's only way to do is to jump in, you know, like this here. Look.
Oh God! Bloody tsunami!
Jesus.
David, you're Right, get out of there, David. Get out. Get out.
To your left a bit.
Really give it a breath back.
Get out of it.
Yeah, just be quiet, would you? I'm in now. I'm trying to do this.
Might as well take out the ring now.
You're right at it.
Gargoyle.
Good job.
I don't have a breath to go down there, to be honest with you, and I can't touch the bottom.
Your tail's fit.
Huh?
You see that pole? You need the pole, David.
Pole's no help to me, just bloody.
Too bloody
I'm
unfit.
just getting warmed up in the water actually for a minute or two.
Move it by.
Get out.
Does anybody have goggles?
No.
No
She
goggles?
wouldn't be under there, Roger.
Have to feel it, Roger.
The spectators.
Move it by, Dad. Move it by.
I am moving.
You're not moving.
What a prick. What a prick.
Get my head used to under
definitely
water. When I put my head under, I'm going to lose my breath again.
You'll get a
Because
real
it's cold.
headache. You'll get a headache.
Yeah, that's why he wouldn't bloody stop
Put
me.
that ladder down for me?
Yeah.
And watch you don't hit the back of
It won't go down.
Push the boat out. Push, no, shorten it.
Shorten it.
Let it go. It's down itself.
Look right here for a wee swim, get warmed up.
Dad, you don't need a life jacket. Hold on to it.
There's weeds here.
Dad, here, hold on to this.
No, I'm alright.
It's not good.
She'll move the wheel.
Hey, he's getting your top.
Right, I better get this after all this trouble. Folks, are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
3, go.
Oh God.
That's it. He's going to be really ill after this.
All right. Atta boy.
Atta boy.
No. God, that's ugly.
Good
What do you think of that, Emma?
Embarrassing.
They're gone.
Don't embarrass.
See the state of this now.
She's having that boat far enough forward, folks.
You tied it?
We'll put her back. We'll bring her over now. Hold on. Oh, dear.
Here's the knickers coming off.
He's got weeds hanging off his ass.
What did he say?
Oh, God.
Oh God.
Like the creature from the Black Lagoon getting out.
Oh my God.
Good job.
It's not being warm out here.
State of that.